Hi, let's talk about attribution because there are some myths floating around that seriously need to go. I feel there are three attribution myths that needs to go away in 2025. Myth number one, last touch is all that matters. I don't agree with that. Just because someone clicked on your retargeting ad campaign, that does not mean that your ad did all the heavy lifting and should be given all the weightage. What about the other touches that might have happened before that? So that could be your webinar invite that was sent. That could be a trade show invite or people attending your webinar or event. And then there could be some email campaign talking about the products, services, and solution that your organization provides. So we cannot ignore all of those touches, right? Myth number two is attribution is should be 100% accurate. It's not going to be always possible because it's always attribution is always directional and it's not definitive or accurate because you always have some blind spots in your data, especially across dark social. So people interacting directly over social platforms. There could be word of mouth. There could be offline influence. So someone meeting outside the office. So you can use all of these data as a guide to make decisions, but do not run around or chase these false impressions and numbers. Now, myth number three is more the tools we have, the better attribution we get. So buying different types of attribution platform is not going to fix the bad tracking, poor CRM data hygiene, or lack of alignment on what success looks like for your organization. That is not going to happen. So the more the tool you buy, the more confusion and the more the reporting is it's going to go bad. So you need to understand or define your success instead of buying different types of tools. Now, if you want attribution to actually drive insights, I would suggest like define or customize your attribution model according to your buyer's journey. Now, clean your data flow. That's really important. Align your sales, marketing, finance, and different teams together so that you're measuring together what the success looks like for your organization according to your business goals and the ROIs and different types of metrics. Now, attribution isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent and realistic in whatever we are trying to measure and how we are defining things, right? Thank you.